Oh. Oh.
101.
I don't know if you guys ever seen this game. This is a Richard Garfield game. So, same guy that made Magic. SoulForge Fusion. It's Fusion the set. SoulForge is the name of the game. I guess it comes with a bunch of stuff. Four decks, 32 cards each. 2 game boards, 2 minion cards, 26 mini tracker cards, and a Forgeborn tracker. I haven't played this. They had it at my LGS for, it was like 20 bucks or 20 bucks, I think. I think it was $17.99 actually. But I figured why not check it out. Oh, so these are the game boards. Oof. So you get your kind of your graveyard and deck over here. Oh, so that's where the Forgeborn goes. Forge card. So you must pull out of here and then throw in here. Upgrades. So these must be like enchantments in the magic world. That's kind of crazy. I probably won't play it, but I did want to see what it was about. So we got 2 of these. Oh, that wrapping's kind of neat. It's like just 2 pieces of paper with some glue. Is it glue? Yeah, I love glue. Oh, those are the tokens. Must +1/+1 counters and stuff. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, and these are the decks. I don't know. I mean, this is brand new, but I don't know if I want to open these. Zombie scientists. And the robots. They already have the robots in this. Magic just kind of came onto that. May play a Spellsworn minion. Give her creatures +4. Oh, okay. So that's... Red must be kind of like the green. The pump spell. Zombie Brute. So these must be double-sided cards. Or not. Or not. I might be completely wrong. And these must be what the decks look like. That's cool. It's like a city. Like a cityscape with some clouds and the moon. And then some harpies or dragons flying around. It's the Nazgul. Tell me if you've ever played this game. I mean, it'd be nice to know how it's played. Come back for some more openings. I've been kind of slacking, so come back. Like and subscribe. See ya. Thanks for watching, and again, for further support, please go to my Patreon. Support me even further. Depending on each tier, you can get entered into larger and larger free giveaways for cards, as well as early access before any other YouTuber, and you get your name showcased at the end of all my full-length videos. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.